This is a tutorial on how to check out on Bobbex.com as a guest. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to our website, Bobbex.com, and you are going to add some things to your cart. I'm going to go to Buy Bobbex Now and put a couple of things in the cart so that I can show you the easiest way to check out as a guest on our website. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to buy this half gallon. I'm going to add it to the cart. Okay, I'm going to look up here. I said, yes, something got added to my cart and I can check out, but here's a nice little trick or a piece of information. Online orders of $60 or more ship free. So, like everybody else, I like free shipping. So I'm going to go back to the deer repellent. I'm going to look down at my choices and I'm going to put this Easy Pump into the cart also so that I get the cart total up over the $60. All right. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to check out the cart because this is all I want to buy today. I know what I need and it's in there. It's in the cart. All right. So here's the two items that I placed in the cart. And here it is up over the $60 and there's no adding, there's no shipping added. And I'm in Connecticut, so the tax did get added. The next thing that you would do is down here in this green area is proceed to checkout. Periodically or a few times a year, we have a coupon that customers receive by email, or it's on the home page, or it's on our Facebook page. But there's not a coupon out now, so I'm not going to put in a coupon code. I'm going to go right to proceed to checkout. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this here. I want the Bobbex billed and shipped to the same address, so I'm going to uncheck the ship to different address. And I have to fill in this part over here, like you normally do every time you order online. I'm adding in my name, and I'm going to put in Bobbex for the company right here. All right, and that's 523. And Bobbex is located in Monroe, Connecticut. You notice these little red stars. That means that's an area that needs to be filled out. And that's the 800 number here at Bobbex. Create an account. You can create an account if you want. But today I'm basically showing you how to check out as a guest. So I'm going to go over this over here. I've got my two products. I have my shipping total. Okay, so now I'm coming down to payment options. Okay, this is PayPal. It can answer your questions about PayPal here. Or we're going to do the secure checkout with our credit card. I'm not going to create a PayPal account. I'm not going to enter any of my my address or my information into Bobbex right now to create an account. I'm going to push place order right here. I think this might be the confusing part for people. When you get here, it says pay with PayPal. But you want to click on the part that says pay with debit or credit card. You are paying through PayPal. That's just what Bobbex uses to get paid. Your information is not stored with PayPal. Your financial information from your credit card is not stored with Bobbex at all. So it's very safe and secure. So I'm going to hit pay with debit or credit card. Okay, and then this screen is how you would fill out when you usually order online. Your credit card number, your expiration date, and the security code on the back. Okay, and then you hit pay now. And you should be all set. We'll receive your order very quickly, and we usually ship out same day. And thank you and good luck. And call that 800-792-4449 if you have any questions. Good luck.